How's it going? I'm Matthews Barnett. I'm the financial planning specialist here at Wiser Wealth Management. Just going to take some time today to discuss a blog I just wrote on how to boost your cash reserves during retirement. We touched base on it a lot, pre-retirement, and how that you should have 3 to 6 months in cash reserves for emergency expenses, such as something that comes up with, your house, with a roof, the HVAC, anything with your health or your car. So you're not reaching into credit cards or going any type of debt for that. However, in retirement, most of everything is for emergency expenses. So not only having some there for those expenses, but also having some cash management system in place within your portfolio as well. What we do here at Wiser Wealth Management is we're usually looking at 2 years of expenses. So let's say that your financial plan allows for you to live on $100,000 in annual living expenses. Let's say you've got Social Security of $30,000. So that means that there's another additional need above Social Security of $70,000 in order to live. So a 2-year cash bucket for that would be $140,000. And what we would do with that cash reserve, it would be in a money market type account, something that was a little higher yield than a savings account, but still not technically an investment because it's for these short-term needs. Unfortunately, with these low interest rates right now, you're not really stretching for yield, so you're not really even keeping up with inflation, but it's more of a cash management system so that you have those funds there to provide the peace of mind that when the market's has a pullback, that you're not withdrawing from the principal in your account, which is allowing it to continue to increase in the future, which addresses sequence of return risk for retirees. So that's why the cash management system is an important part of our portfolio management for retirees. It's something that Brad here in the office is constantly monitoring and making trades as cash gets low or as needed to replenish the interest and dividends and the cash in the portfolios for our retirees so they have cash within their portfolio in order to live off of and not drain the portfolio principal of the account. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out to us by calling our office or by reaching out to our website at wiserinvestor.com. Thank you.